Hi, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my very first eyebrow tutorial featuring a few of my favorite beauty supply store products and drugstore products. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then stay tuned. At this point, we're just taking a eyebrow spoolie or a mascara brush and brushing through my brows, making sure all the hair is going in the same direction. First, I'm taking a brown liquid eyeliner, not black, but brown, and I'm just outlining the shape of the brows that I want to get. You want to make sure that you're not heavy-handed when you're doing this step, but you do want the final shape to be defined. If you notice, I'm pretty much following the shape of my eyebrow, the natural shape, but I'm just making it more pronounced. Now I'm filling in the tail end of my brow with that same eyeliner, using hair light strokes to fill it in. Like I said, you want to make sure you're using a brown eyeliner for this step and not black. Especially using this technique, if you were to take a black liquid eyeliner, you might as well use a Sharpie, because that's how harsh your brows are going to be. This brown liquid eyeliner is from Dollar Tree, and I think it's the brand LA Colors. Now I'm taking an angled eyeliner brush and I'm using a dark brown gel eyeliner. Yes, this is just an eyeliner. And I'm filling in the second half of my brow. At this point, you're just filling in the shape that you already laid down with the liquid eyeliner. And once again, I chose a gel eyeliner because you're pretty much going to get the same effect that you would get if you had like an expensive pomade, like eyebrow pomade or whatever, but you know your eyeliner is not going to budge, so it has to be good enough for your brows. This is the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner in Espresso. Now I'm just taking a lighter gel eyeliner, and this is the same Maybelline Eye Studio Liner in brown. And I'm just going to fill in the front of my brows and overlap the dark color that I already put down. So you're not going all the way back with this color, but you're going from like the very front of the brows to like the middle to create an ombre effect. Please note that when you're filling in your brow with these gel eyeliners or whatever product that you want to use, if you use the liquid eyeliner in the first step like I do, make sure you're like going over that line too. You want it all to be seamless. Now you're just going to take the concealer of your choice and clean up the bottom of your brow and any mistakes you might have made. This is the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Creator in level 13 from the beauty supply store. In this concealer step, you want to make sure that you blend it down and out. You don't want any like harsh lines or the halo effect. Like, you want nice clean brows. I don't clean up the top of my brows all the time because that's when it begins to look really noticeable. But if you must, use your foundation shade. That foundation is easier to blend out and it's going to look closer to your skin. So you can really avoid that whole halo brow where it looks like your brows are glowing in the dark. Not cute. Now, I know y'all don't think that I was just going to leave all that concealer under my brows, right? Psh. You want to make sure that you use whatever you need to clean all that up. Your fingers, brushes, sponges. Use whatever you have to make sure you blend all that extra product away so that you're left with nice, clean, neat eyebrows. Run the spoolie through your brows one last time to make sure you blend away all that product. And last but not least, take a fluffy brush and dip it into like the face powder or brow powder or any type of brown shadow or powder and blend out the front of those brows. You want to get rid of that harsh boxy shape so that your brows look natural and like they're like slowly fading into dark. Take this last opportunity to make sure you blend out the front of your brows. Take a spoolie again and run it through your brows just to make sure all that product is well blended and nothing is harsh and that your brows are nice and neat. And that, my friends, is how I achieve my eyebrows. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you again next time. See you later.